Hello, Joe Chorley here with Open Reality, and today we're focusing on the AccelTex 2.4 and 5 GHz 4.6 dBi 4-element Omni Antenna. This omnidirectional antenna neatly combines multiple elements in a single unit, ideal for remote AP installations. This antenna is specifically crafted for ceiling mounting at significant heights, such as 11 meters, providing broad and reliable coverage from a central position, as seen in this screenshot from Echo AI Pro. Like all AccelTex antennas, its flexible and vendor-neutral design means it integrates easily with AP hardware from Cisco, Juniper, Aruba Cambium and beyond, ensuring you get maximum coverage at a competitive price. We'll now take you through a short unboxing to show you how your antenna would arrive. All omnidirectional antennas from AccelTex come with a steel wall mounting bracket as standard, with the necessary fixings. AccelTex have an extensive range of omnidirectional antennas, ranging from single element rubber ducks up to higher gain dome antennas like this one, as well as 6 GHz options. As you'll see in a moment, this particular model has 4 RPTNC connectors. However, as mentioned, these are also made with 4, 6, 8 or even 10 connectors, depending on if you require RPTNC, RPSMA, N-style, MPC or DART. Please reach out to us if you'd like to learn more or get your hands on a sample unit of your own. And don't forget to check out the other product highlight videos in the series that will be linked in the comments.